All right, we got these large parchment paper sheets. They come in a box to protect them. They are heavy duty, wrapped in plastic. Hang on, let's open them up. All right, this is the parchment paper sheet on a half sheet pan. You can see it doesn't come all the way to the edge on the short side, but on the long side, it does. So if you want parchment paper that goes all the way to the edge, this does not on the short side. So let's cook some food on it and see how it does. Not a bit of sticking. There was no, I didn't spray this or anything. You can see some of the grease from the chicken nuggets. Beat it up on the parchment paper. Chicken nuggets get brown. I love using this parchment paper for a quick cleanup when baking or anything I put in my oven, basically on these sheet pans. Hope this helps you know if it's something you'd like to buy.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything. If this review helped you, we'd love a super thanks. Even just $1 or $2 really helps us out. And also buy the product using our links, and hopefully we'll be able to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.